Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss some questions relating to coordinate geometry, the equation of straight lines. The question is, find the equations of the medians of the triangle ABC whose vertices are A and coordinate is 2, 5, B coordinates are minus 4 and 9, and point C coordinate is minus 2 and minus 1. This is the figure ABC. Here AD is the median. So these coordinates will be x1 plus x2 by 2, then we get minus 3. And in ordinate y1 plus y2 by 2, so it will be 4, because in the case of abscissa minus 4 plus and minus 2 divided by 2, that is minus 6 by 2 is minus 3, and y1 plus y2 by 2, that is 9, minus 1 by 2 is 8 by 2, that is 4. In the same way, B is a median, and its coordinates we can find by the midpoint formula. In the same way, CF is another median, then F coordinates we can find by the midpoint formula. Okay, so the solution is, let DEF be the midpoints of BC, AC and AB respectively. Then the coordinates of these points are D is minus 3, 4, His coordinates are 0, 2, and F coordinate is minus 1 and 7 respectively. And here we have used midpoints, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This formula we have used. So the equation of AD, which is median, from the formula 2-point form. And 2-point formula is what? Y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Here 2 point, as we are finding AD's equation, we are finding AD is a median and its equation we are finding out. So here the 2 points are A and D, and that's why here we are using 2-point form of a line. That's formula is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Here y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, it denotes m, that is the slope. Slope is m. So in place of y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, we can write m also, which is the slope. Okay. Now we are putting the value. y1 is 5. So y minus 5 equals to, and y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus 5 by x2 minus x1, that is minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 2. Here x1 is 2. This implies y minus 5 is equals to minus 1 by minus 5, minus minus cancel into x minus 2. Now by crisscross multiplication we get 5y minus 25 is equals to x minus 2. This implies, and this both x minus 2 are brought here, and 5y minus 25 is brought to right side, and then we get x minus 5y plus 23 equals to 0. This is the first equation, and this is the equation of the median AD. Now another median is B. The median B passes through points B whose coordinates are minus 4 and 9, and E whose coordinates we have got by the midpoint formula 0, 2. So the equation of median B is, again from the 2-point form of a line, y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, so now we are putting the value and we get y minus 9 is equals to 2 minus 9 by 0 plus 4 into x plus 4. Arrowhead, so y minus 9 is equals to minus 7 by 4 into x plus 4. Again by crisscross multiplication we get, for y minus 36 equals to minus 7x plus 28. And this minus 7x plus 28 is brought to left side. And then we get here 7x plus 4y minus 36 plus 28 equals to 0. And minus 36 plus 28 is minus 8. So ultimately we get 7x plus 4y minus 8 equals to 0. This is the second equation. And it is the equation of the median BE. Now, third median is CF. Similarly, the equation of the median CF, which passes through C, coordinates are minus 2 and minus 1, and F, whose coordinates are minus 1 and 7, is again from 2-point form of a line y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. We are putting the values, and here y1 is here this minus 1. So here it becomes minus minus plus, so it is y plus 1 is equals to y2 is 7 and y1 is minus 1, so it becomes plus 1 by x2 is minus 1 and x1 is minus 2, so it becomes plus 2 into x plus 2 arrowhead y plus 1 equals to 8 by 1 into x plus 2. And now y plus 1 equals to, we are removing the bracket, 8 into x plus 2 becomes 8x plus 16 equals to, now this 8x plus 16, y plus 1 we are bringing right side, and then it becomes 8x minus y plus 16 minus 1 equals to 0, and ultimately it becomes 8x minus y plus 15 equals to 0. This is the third equation, and this is the equation of median CF. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.